the trees?
Allah Almighty. Alhamdulillah.
Created, who has created the whole world?
Allah Almighty. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, students, well done.